Today we are going to see how to upload employee documents in a Smart Office application. To upload employee documents, go to the Attendance, Employees, and under Employees, go to the Employee Action button for whom you want to upload the document. Under Action, go to the Employee Document list. Here we can upload documents like ID proof, marks cards, resumes, and qualification certificates. All these are stored in one place for easier access whenever required. Okay. Here you can upload the employee documents. Give the employee document name and document category name. Here some of the document categories are predefined. If you want to create the document categories, then go to the Classified Master. Under Classified Master, document category. Here you can create the document categories based on the documents which you are going to upload. Okay. Then after selecting the document category, just upload the file which you want to upload. Then click on Save. Once it is uploaded, you can see the employee documents under the Employee Master window. Even employees can check their documents or download the documents from the ESS portal or Employee Self-Service portal. This is the ESS portal or Employee Self-Service portal where an employee can check their document or download the documents. In earlier session we have learned how to give the credentials for the ESS portal. Now just give the domain name under the username and then use the login name of the employee. Then give the password. Then login into the application. Under the Employee Self-Service portal, we can go to the Employee Leave Entries. Under the Leave Entries, go to the Employee Document Manager. Here we can check the list of the documents which have been uploaded from the admin portal. Here you can download the documents. Now let us learn how to import or upload the employee documents for multiple employees. To upload the employee documents for multiple employees, go to the Attendance, Employees. There you need to go to the Upload Employee Bulk Document. Here give the title name, in the sense which type of documents you are going to upload. You can give the name and then upload the file. Here only zip files are accepted, and also make sure that the file name of the document should be either employee code or PAN number. Here we need to select the file. So let's prepare the zip file which contains the employee documents. Here some of the documents which we are going to upload. Make the zip file of these documents. Here you can give any name for the zip file. There is no restriction on the zip file name. Then you can upload these documents under the Upload Bulk Document section. Select the file. Once the document uploaded successfully, we can check the documents under the Employee Document Manager. We have uploaded the document for 112 employee code. Here we can check the documents. Okay, we can even check these, or employee can check these details or documents under his portal. Okay, thank you.